This is a video on how to do the pen spinning trick, the Thumbaround. Okay, so when you first pick up the pen or pencil, you want to have most of the weight downward like this, down here. You don't want to be in the middle, you want to be up here. If you have a single-sided object like a pencil, you usually want to have the point right here so you don't stab yourself. You don't really want to do that. Okay, so with most of the weight up here, you want to do this, like a triangle shape. Okay, now that's how you hold it. Now here's the hard part. You want to take your thumb and middle finger and move your thumb up and your middle finger down like this. But your middle finger is going to be what does most of the work. So when you first start out, you want to be able to do that. It's going to orbit around your thumb like that. So it's almost like you're snapping. Just practice like that, which you probably won't be able to catch it, but this is the right motion. And then when you want to catch it, you start with your first finger, and when you're doing this, you don't want to do it right away because it's too many steps at the same time. But as soon as you spin it like this, you're going to want to move your first finger out of the way so it can pass through. And then once it gets to the spot where you want to catch it, you move it back. And then you move this finger and your thumb back to the starting position, just like this. And you can catch it about anywhere on the pen you want, but when you first start out, you're not really going to be able to control where you catch it. So you should just try to catch it anywhere, and then you'll learn how to catch it better later.